Welcome to Interactive Educational Model Methods of Taking a Digital Impression. Lecture number 1. Introduction to Digital Dentistry, Parameters of Intraoral Scanners, Benefits and Applications. Intraoral surface scanners are gaining popularity among modern dental clinics, allowing you to get high-precision digital impressions, create 3D models of patient dentition, plan treatment, and simulate restorations. 3D scanning is a very complex process. Essentially, a 3D scanner projects a glowing source on it captures the reflection of light from this object using multiple cameras. The aforementioned reflection is used to calculate the coordinates of an object using spatial reconstruction software. Basic parameters of scanners: accuracy scan results, clinical usage, riskable scan results, size, type, with scanning in color, open and closed system. Scan accuracy. Primarily intraoral, the scanner must reproduce a high-precision visual print. Accuracy includes precision and correctness. Precision, the degree of proximity of independent measurement results to each other, receive data in specific conditions. This characteristic depends only on random factors and is not related to the true value of the measured value. Correctness, the degree of proximity of the average value obtained in a large surface of measurements from 10 or more to the accepted reference value. Correctness indicates how much the measurement result deviate from the true size of the object. The only way to calculate correctness intraoral, the purpose of the scanner is to superimpose your measurement results on the data obtained by the most powerful industrial optical scanners to evaluate the results at the micrometric level. Clinical application. Before purchasing a scanner, you should pay attention to a number of factors. What is the scanning speed of the device? Whether you need a special scanning powder? What is the size of the working part of the tool? The size of the working part of the scanner directly affects the comfort of our patient. For example, when scanning molars, a small working part is especially welcome to reduce the patient's discomfort during the procedure. Replacing manual labor with digital devices minimizes the appearance of any destruction because there is no dependence on the soreness of compliance with the time regulations, the quality of the impression mass, the technique of mixing gypsum, and the skill of the doctor. There is also no such intermediate stage typical for the traditional technique as the cast model app. Contraindications. A special advantage of the digital dental scanning technique is the absence of contraindications, while the standard procedure will have to be abandoned if the patient is allergic to the material used. The study will be conducted in all categories of the population without exception, including children and pregnant women. Digital scanning applications. In orthodontic for diagnostic, drawing up a treatment plan, predicting the result of correction, as well as manufacturing the necessary orthodontic devices, plates, aligners. In orthopedics, when creating various variants of prostheses and microprostheses, veneers, taps, this technically allows you to make orthopedic structures with the greatest accuracy. In implantology, after performing an oral scan, the doctor becomes the owner of information that allows you to calculate the exact location of the implanted teeth. Implants specify the distance to the important anatomical structures. In implantology, 3D scanning helps to interpret the nature of the lesion of the temporomandibular joint. Closed open system. Files can be saved in two ways: in their own internal format, which depends on the scanning software, or in the format of a multi-layer STL file. STL files can be opened and used in any computer with any CAD program installed. In this case, there is to need no purchase additional CAD licenses or pay an additional fee for converting the file. Open systems simplify collaboration between dentists and laboratories, as they can be opened on any computer without the need for personal computer conversations to convert to the formats and mill on different machines. When we talk about a closed system, we mean that files received by the scanner can be processed and used only in a specific kind of software. If the user is not yet experienced enough, the closed system helps to understand the work process more. Thank you for your attention.